Hey guys, today we will learn to add Google Maps in our website in less than 2 minutes. And for this tutorial, you don't need any type of API key, and this is the easiest and fastest way to add Google Maps in your website. So let's start it. So all we need is any web browser and then search for a city. So like I search for Los Angeles. Okay. Once this is done, you can see a map over here. Just click it and Google Maps will open. And now we will click this menu and we will go share embedded map and embed map and then copy this. Once we have this, then we can go in our code editor. This is our code editor, okay, and this is just a blank empty HTML boilerplate, and then I'm going to paste the thing which we just copied. Okay, so our map is here and this is locating Los Angeles, and we can also add marker and other things too. So for that I will go back in my browser and I will close this, like say we want to mark this thing. Okay, so there we go, we have marker now, and now again we will just copy and open our browser and just replace this link. So there we go, and now we even have marker, and when we click this direction it will directly open Google Map page, and we can also do a direction like say I want to go this area from here. Okay, so this is our route and we can use this map as well. So if we copy this and look at our output, so then here it is, it's now showing our target area, target route, sorry. So this is the quickest and fastest way to add Google Map in any website. And the best thing about this is that we are not using any type of API key, so we don't have to buy any kind of subscriptions and we don't have to worry about any type of bandwidth limit and all that. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. See ya in the next one.